All right, guys, today is the day. I got a mechanic here, an e-bike mechanic. I couldn't get this done myself, so I think it's a battery issue, and we're finally getting this tire that Mark had so much trouble with at the vulcanizing shop every day, it seemed, replaced. This old tire wasn't holding air. We're putting a new one on there.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
This gentleman's a mobile repair unit. He's coming by to fix us up, figure out what we're going to need to get this thing back on the road again. Start with that tire. Look at my braking system here. Good, huh? You're going to fix that one too? All right. He claims he's going to take care of all these little problems we got with the Tesla chopper. We'll see how the end result is. I might be on the road tonight using this bad boy. All right, we got a new tire on this bad boy. I don't know if we're going to need to put air in that one as often as Marcos did because it's brand new. Probably have to worry about the other two. Now he's fixing these brakes. Adjusting all these brakes. We're going to have some good brakes on this bad boy too. I think the feeling is that these batteries might need to be replaced. They've been sitting for a year. We're going to test them, see what's up. We might have a battery issue. If that's the case, it's not a big deal. Whatever it takes to get this thing on the road again. Now that wire I've been looking for that doesn't exist, he said it goes to windshield wipers that don't exist. If this had a canopy on it, that long wire leads to some windshield wipers. So we'll roll that up and put that down in this box and hide that, I guess. That goes to nothing, so that confused the hell out of me. I thought that was disconnected. So that has no purpose unless we install some windshield wipers on this thing and an actual windshield on here, which we might. We never know. We might put a shade on this. We'll see how much a shade would cost. Do you install the shades too? Like the tops? What's a top for something like this cost? 5K? Damn, I don't know if I need a top for 5K. I might just get a suntan. 4 or 5K to put a top on here. We'll see about that. I hate to change it too much. I don't want to modify it too much from its original state. But then again, man, it's hot. We determined that the batteries are shot. They sat too long without being charged. This gentleman's going to bring me some new batteries. So we're going with all 4 batteries replaced. He's going to come back, hit me up for like 5K to put 4 new batteries in here. So yeah, it's a small investment to get this thing rolling again, but it'll be fresh. Good brakes, good tire, new batteries. We'll be on the road before you know it. All right, the new batteries have arrived. Out with the old, in with the new. I'll stand back in case something blows up. So we're going to be on the road before you know it here. What do you think?
Excited.
Yeah, we'll be running down to Walking Street in a minute on our new Tesla chopper, new and improved, updated, new tire, new brakes, new batteries. We'll see how fast this thing goes. What do you think, Roji?
Yeah, sir, I think
Go about 30 kilometers an hour, right? Maybe 40?
No, maybe I think 50.
Only 50? Oh shit, 50. This thing's gonna do wheelies. I might need to install some wheelie bars on here. Boom.
What was that?
I don't know, somebody threw a firecracker or something. And here's the old batteries. Let's see if they look any different. They probably look exactly the same, but newer. Oh, same damn thing. Just shiny and new. There we go. Just a regular lead battery. Of course, just like that whole e-bike is. It's all made in China. All right, here we go, guys. our first initial ride on the Tesla chopper. There's gonna be 3 of us going down the walking street from the Drake. Chin, Mercy's got an umbrella because it's sprinkling a little bit. Chin, you got enough room there with Mercy?
Hold on, hold on. I gotta get up these. I gotta get up my leg from outside. Hold on, hold this.
Is this too much? Too many? We gotta make this work.
All right, we got it.
Our debut ride.
Vámonos.
I'm crunched in here pretty good. All right, let's see what happens.
Oh my God.
Oh, here we go. All right, let me turn some lights on. I think we got to need, oh, there's the lights. All right, here we go. Unfortunately, it's not raining hard enough, so I think you gotta man the camera. There we go. Hold on, ladies. We're on the way.
There we go.
Let's see if we don't crash on this ditch. There we go. Hold on, everybody. Hold on, everybody. Woo! We are in high gear. Now we're in high gear. Let me fix my mirrors. Make sure I'm not going to get ran over.
Yeah, it is.
Be in the safety mode. Now, if we wipe out, we are going to be in trouble. We're going to be a pile of people. All right. Cruising right along. Cruising right along. We are just cruising. Everybody comfortable?
Yes.
All right.
I mean, I don't know.
How about Chin?
I don't know what Chin is like.
So far, smooth ride.
So good, yeah.
So far, so good. I'm gonna have to go around this guy. He's going way too slow for the chopper. All right. There we go. We can do it. We can do it. Don't stop. Don't be hitting this on the chopper.
Only here in Philippines.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
what we're doing.
Hey, we're not holding up traffic. We're moving pretty good. We're moving pretty good. As long as I can keep it on the flat part of the road. There we go. Got some new batteries, got some new brakes, got a new tire. So far, so good. 36 kilometers an hour, going strong here. Yep, we're good, we're good. We're forgetting the back roads. We're going down the main drag. We're down the main drag here. Don't let nobody step out in front of you on the Tesla chopper. We'll take them out. It's a little wobbly.
Just a little bit.
If you take a sharp turn, you're in trouble in this thing. Sharp turn.
Almost there.
Not far. That was a good quick run from the Drake. Chen, you said you can handle this on your own, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Can you really? Did you have that one before? Oh, really? Good.
Go faster than most tricycles in this thing. Look out, take it out this time on the left, no problem. We get up to this intersection, let's see. I might have put it down to first gear
Get in the middle.
for a good takeoff. All right,
Yeah.
brakes are working. Rolling good. Very good.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We only have to charge it every day, Gene, and then you're good to go.
Don't charge it till it's out of juice.
Oh.
They said don't charge it until it's all the way ran down the first go around. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We got to deplete these batteries, the new batteries, of all juice first.
Yeah. Welcome to Street is very close.
We are here. I think we're gonna have to park this bad boy at Kokomo's though, because they won't let us go down the street with even the Tesla chopper. Maybe I could cut some deal with them. Maybe they'll give me a pass.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. We're gonna go around the backside though.
Okay. Beep beep.
Hold on. I don't like the beat. Okay, but I'm using it. Hold on, lean into the turn. You gotta lean into the turn. It's got some power, man. You gotta be careful. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I'll throw it down to the first gear now.
You should have parked it over here.
How you doing?
Hey!
Hey! Hey, you're back! We're back! And we're on the Tesla chopper!
Hey! Let us park!
Can I put
Let us
this here?
park!
Alright. Park! We're off. We're off, girls. You first. How you doing, brother?
Why are you driving?
We are right. We made it. Blogger, yes. We're blogger.
Alright, we survived the run over here. It's early Sunday night. Everything's happening slowly but surely here down on Walker Street. Had to do a supply run down here with Chin, and we're doing pretty good to get over here because this mountain of dirt is, you need a four-wheel drive out here. All this damn dirt out here. Unbelievable. Hopefully they get this cleaned up real quick. Got an off chair there you gotta fix. You girls been busy today? A little bit? Oh, you just starting?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just starting. All right. We got to get some draft beer going here. We got a couple guys meeting us over here, I think. Get some of these draft beers rolling. We got Hogarden. We got Polliner. Fat Cat, Treeline. We got some Encanto and also Sapporo, black and mild. And we got some hooping and hollering going on. Always.